Welcome back to Smoke Rib Barbecue's YouTube channel. A little different format today for today's video, but I want to get this thing out here on the barbecue as soon as we possibly can. This thing is a Snake River Farms Wagyu ribeye steak. The grade it's American Wagyu, so it's black, the black grade, 1.5 inches thick. It looks... This is definitely something to write home about. So we're going to get this thing seasoned up with just pepper and salt. And that's all we're doing today for this guy. Can't wait. On the big green egg, I'm going to be grilling it. Just going to sear it both sides. Maybe you can get the top and bottom. Also get the sides as well. Make sure all that's good marbling around the outside is also cooked. Grilled, seasoned, seared to seal in all that amazing moisture that's going to happen with this thing. So let's get to it. The last time I did a Wagyu steak, my sous chef was a little bit younger then, and she had, well, it wasn't her fault. We had a little accident. Oh. Let's not do that this time. Oh, can't wait. Now we have the steak seasoned on the top and bottom, and there's a mess everywhere. So that's just great. So what you do is you take the sides now and roll that along the cutting board to get every spot perfectly seasoned, ready to go on the grill. This will now rest right here on the table until we get the big green egg fired up. We got amazing crust formation on top and bottom. Now let's do the sides. Watch those flare-ups. All right, we're now going to close it down just a little bit and put the steak into off, I say indirect or off from the actual grilling. Hot pot's right here, cold part right here. So I don't want it to sear too much more. I want just the gradual raise in temperature of the internal temperature of the steak to 115. And it's done. Take it inside. Welcome back everybody to Smoke Rib Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we are doing, well, we did a beautiful Snake River Farms. Oh, there's a steak. Well, snake. Not only did a ribeye steak, we did a Snake River Farms Wagyu ribeye, which was 1.5 inches thick and looks absolutely amazing. Okay, so I did this video today. I purchased this steak online to kind of celebrate our accomplishment of reaching 10,000 subscribers. Yeah. So I first started this channel back in February of 2013. Who knew that a couple years later, I would have 10,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed or who will subscribe in the future.
It's a couple years, it's 10.
Well, 9.5. Well, 9. 9. So anyway, so I started this channel with doing St. Louis style cut ribs from Snake River Farms. That video is probably one of the top 10 videos ever made. No, it's pretty bad. As any first time YouTuber can attest to.
Wait, what was it?
The video I did? We did barbecue spare ribs on, I think, the smoke hollow that I had back then. It was a few years ago. You probably don't remember it because it was 2013.
I was half-year-old. Or one.
You were 1 and just over 1.
Yeah.
A couple months. Anyway, this steak looks too good to sit here and not be eaten. Beignet, our golden retriever, is down below trying to take a bite as well. He won't get any tonight because this steak is too good to let him have any. Okay.
In earlier videos, you might have seen him like over in this.
Yeah, he has a couple of times tried to sneak a couple bites, huh? Okay, here we go. 2 pieces.
And in one video, you had a short little clip of him, like, you put the steak on the bench out there, and he was like stiffing it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, what a silly boy. So this is your piece right there. Again, this is American Wagyu from Snake River Farms. I'll tell you, in terms of how well it's cooked, let's say it's pretty much spot on, medium rare, which is my go-to.
Okay.
What a good boy. Huh.
Keep your
We don't
knife
feed him
on
scraps at the table,
though.
even though he thinks, every day he thinks he does. There you go. Make this last little piece here. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Anything else you want to say? I'm gonna steal it. I'm not sure if this is from you or me, but I'm gonna steal it. Hands are all greasy and steaky. What? You?
I'm saying that's not mine.
It's not yours? No. Well, it was somebody's. Now it's mine now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, like I did in the last video, I just want to say thank you for everybody who has subscribed to our channel. We love what we're doing here at Smoke Rib Barbecue, where family really makes everything. Well, it's worth it because you're doing it for the family. Our motto was where family and barbecue come together, and that's no truer today than it was the first day I started doing this. Just want to say thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and as always, keep barbecuing America. Cheers. Go for it.